Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK broke out recently out of this range in which it has been moving, or in which it did move for over a year. This range which started in May 2022 and ended here with a breakout on the 8th or the 10th of June to the downside. Yeah, so we had that breakdown. And the idea is that this unfolded as a so-called Elliott wave triangle in an A, B, C, D, E structure, where the E was the end of the wave 4, and we're now in the wave 5 to the downside with a bearish target between 290 and 350. This has been our bearish target for, I think, more than half a year now, for the case that LINK would break below $6, which was the bullish support level, the last reliable bullish support. And you can see that was a very relevant support area, because when it broke, it crashed down like 20%. It's now recovering a little bit, but only in a corrective fashion. And it has reached the first resistance level on the FIB scale, the 23.6 FIB retracement, here at $5.38. The ideal target for a wave 4 would be 565. And the next one 587. Now, I'm not entirely sure about this subwave count, these subwave structures, because I'm counting a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and could get one more low in a wave 5. That could be it, but I'm not entirely sure about it. Nevertheless, the fact that it's reacting already to the 23.6 FIB level just does indicate that at least the count isn't too wrong, right? I mean, it's not the clearest subwave structure, that doesn't allow for a very, very clear wave count. Sometimes they are clearer, sometimes they are less clear. This is certainly one valid interpretation, which I'm viewing the wave 5 to the downside as an ending diagonal, but I'm not entirely sure if the wave 3 really ended here. Could also just be a sub wave of a larger wave 3. So we'll see where we are. So anyway, the trend is still down. As long as we stay below that $6 level anyway, I wouldn't be convinced that the trend is shifting back to the upside. We have 3 waves down, so I'm looking for further continuation to the downside as long as price stays below $6. However, if LINK can rally, especially impulsively above $6, then we need to change our view and would say, okay, maybe the low is already in. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's now in a new bear market low situation. So at any point when it turns around, we need to be watching, okay, is it forming an impulse to the upside? But at the moment, what we see here is not impulsive. It can always be a diagonal, but at the moment, the move of the lows is in a 3-wave structure. So I'm watching here for further continuation to the downside, but cannot rule out further movements to the upside because it wasn't really rejected strongly. It's consolidating below resistance. So it's actually quite a weak wave 4 at the moment. So I would actually be happy if it gives us a more healthy wave 4, maybe to 565 or 587. However, if it obviously breaks below the 10th of June low, which was at 491, then it most likely will head lower, and the next support is 433, and then we need to take it from there. Okay, that's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.